Hello there, I'm Phil Spencer, and in collaboration with Wickes, we're helping you to move or improve your home. Energy saving measures have become more of a priority than ever, so we put together our top recommendations for eco home improvements. But before we get into the details, do take a look at Wickes' sustainable house site, which has loads of great ideas for greening your home. Everything from easy DIY jobs to saving water and doing your bit for biodiversity. Just click the link that comes with this video. So let's get into some of my top suggestions. Something as simple as loft insulation could save you easily a few £100s a year. For an average detached property, the insulation could pay for itself in a year or two. Of course, costs and savings will vary accordingly to what type of property you have, but insulating your loft is always a winner. The second big win, admittedly with a slightly larger price tag, is installing double glazing. While this can mean shelling out a few thousand initially, it is an investment, both in terms of cutting bills and making your home much warmer and more soundproof. And it's a big plus when you come to selling it as well. On the subject of investment measures, if you do see yourself living in your property for the long term, then it might be worth looking into solar panels. The payback in terms of saving on your utility bills is slower than some of our other recommendations, but they're a fantastic no-carbon eco option and may also prove very attractive when you eventually do come to sell. An inefficient working boiler can add thousands to your bills and account for up to 60% of your home's carbon emissions. Replacing it with a modern upgrade or alternative is going to be a win for your bills and for the planet. Weigh this option up as the potential to do home improvement if you can't do it immediately. Uninsulated walls are a classic source of heat loss. Getting cavity wall insulation can cost a few £100s, depending on how many exterior walls that you actually have. It should improve the score on your energy performance certificate, that's the EPC that you need when you sell a property. So we've looked at green measures that require an investment, but little changes can add up to a big difference. Drafts often cause us to turn up the heating unnecessarily, using more energy than actually needed. Stick-on insulation down the sides of doors is cheap and effective. Thicker curtains can help prevent heat escaping, especially during the winter months. And as your appliances come to the end of their life, look for energy-efficient models when you replace them. For instance, an eco kettle uses roughly 30% less energy than a standard kettle. Switching energy suppliers might also help save on your bills, and when you use the comparison sites, you can select green energy options only to help reduce your carbon footprint even further. Whichever supplier you're with, getting a smart meter is a fantastic way to monitor your energy usage. Once you can see how much you're actually using, when and how, it helps you work out where you could cut back. And talking of cutting back, our final tip is to think about reducing water usage too. There are a whole range of canny devices to cut consumption, from water butts that harvest rainwater so you can water the garden for free, to water-saving shower heads. A home with water and energy-saving strategies in place is going to be more attractive to future buyers. So not only will eco measures cut your bills while you're living there, it might also add a decent bit of value to your property when you come to sell. Make sure you join our House Move Heroes program for more top tips on moving and renovating your home. We've got all essentials you need both in store and online.